Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another week, of the Daily Market Outlook video. We're going to look at the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pairs today. But firstly, as always, we'll have a look at the Forex economic calendar here. So coming up in the next hour, we have a bit of red news coming out of GBP pairs. And then later on today, we have some CPI news coming out towards the first couple of hours of the New York session. And then leading into tomorrow, obviously, into late Wednesday and Thursday's trading period, obviously a lot of news for the rest of the week then sort of coming right through. So it could be a last sort of bit of high volatility before the break leading into Christmas. So yeah, let's see what the market's going to present for us. Obviously, remembering if you are going to be trading GBP or USD pairs today, just manage your risks accordingly. So here on the 4-hour chart, again, as we had marked up, this was our previous 4-hour swing high. We can see we've come up with 4-hour structures gone bullish, broken through it, pulled back down, come back up, broken through it again, having a little pullback. So we would assume that we are going to break this area and that we're going to probably continue a little bit longer, maybe up into this 4-hour imbalance area that we had drawn up from last week. So basically based on that we can see that area swing high has been taken. The next area to be looking for is this swing high just underneath with this imbalanced liquidity in here as well. So basically looking for a possible sweep above that high into this imbalance to then fill our short orders. So coming in on the 15-minute, understanding that we're probably going to be short-term bullish still. 15-minute structure, we can see here, big exacerbated price action here, very aggressive up, pull back down, straight back up again, moving along. There is probably very much some orders in here that may need to be taken care of. So basically today, looking for a pull down into this structure, seeing that lower time frame change of structure to go long. That would be a high probability trade for me. Another one would definitely be probably not as probable, but possibly a pull up higher from here. Maybe a brief rejection, come in to the midline and going long from that area there. Over onto Euro USD, we'll jump out on the 4-hour again. We can see here on Euro, we have come down and filled all of that, virtually all of that imbalance. So basically at the moment, Euro for me is primed to go long. But again, understanding where we're at on the Dixie, we may still have a bit of short-term pullback still to happen at this point. So what I would be looking for is maybe a further pull down into this area, possibly into around this area here, where we've had this consolidation working out, come down, retest that area and go long. So we see we've pulled up, tight consolidation, big exaggerated price action out of there, come work its way back down, retest that area, go long. That would be probably the higher time frame narrative that I could see from here. Coming in on the 15-minute, we can see here, what do we got? So again, there's that big aggressive price action from last Friday, and then we see this sort of consolidating work here. A little bit of a price action yesterday, not much. Basically, really just a fair bit of consolidation over the past couple of days within this range. So basically looking for a breakout of there. I would anticipate that we're probably going to, again, look at going short-term short. Short-term short, unless we start to see these highs up here get cleared out. If this high up here gets cleared out, then it's probably safe to say that we are going to see that long bias happen. So basically looking for I would say a pull up higher. There's no real structure area in here that we could be looking, that I could see that we would be looking to trade to. So it may just be based on the moves of the Dixie at the moment, the Dixie coming into that lower area. So I would probably just hold on to Euro for the moment on actually taking any trades on Euro until we get that bit of a confirmation there, because as we discussed, Euro on the 4 hour has filled all that 4 hour imbalance, and we've seen that wick in there, that big aggressive pullback up, now starting to consolidate. So if we do get that pull down lower today into this area, then definitely we can be starting to look for some long trades out of there. But if we see today's price action pull higher, then we could look to see some long trades from that area there. So for me, I would just hold off on Euro for the time being until it starts to align a little bit closer with the Dixie and we start to get that narrative starting to form. GBP USD. So GU, we do have still a little bit of an untouched imbalance down in here. I don't think that's going to worry us too much though. We have obviously broken lows here, pulled up, and broken lows started to flip bearish on the 4 hour. We do have obviously this area down here that we could even just take the wick that we could be looking to come down towards visiting, come down into this area to go long. Sort of matches the idea of what we've got going at the moment. But I think as is with Euro, I would do the same thing with GBP at the moment. Just maybe let the news, the CPI news from the Dixie today, tell us where we need to go, what we need to do. Well, obviously, we're paid to be patient in these markets. We're paid to be patient in these markets. So, while there's a bit of doubt or unknownness to the market here at the moment, I would suggest we just hold on, wait for a little bit of extra price action to come around, give us a definitive, direction, and then we can sort of trade from there. So yeah, for me, GBP today is probably nothing I really want to go anywhere near, unless sort of price action gives me an availability, i.e. we sort of maybe pulled it back down lower into this area and it lines up with the Dixie getting into that area at the same time, then we could definitely look at seeing that flip. Righto, guys. Well, thank you very much for jumping on today's video. Obviously, I appreciate your support, and I will see you again on another Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.